Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare this carrot, mango and coconut rice. For that I have added oil in this kadai, and once the oil is heated I am adding this mustard seeds into it, and once the mustard seeds splutter I am adding this jeera into it or cumin seeds, and now goes the LG powder little, or the asafoetida powder as we say, and then one red whole chili into it, stir it, and then we need to wait for a while. This is a South Indian recipe. Basically people will do this during the month of April, May. I think from the time when we get the mangoes, that is when the mangoes are available. Now I have added the green chilies into it. I have slit the green chilies. I have taken 7 to 8 green chilies for the spiciness, and then I have added little ginger grated into it. For this recipe I'm not going to add red chili powder or turmeric because this looks good without that. If we add turmeric, that will change the color of the recipe. Now I'm adding the curry leaves into it and then stir it. Actually this looks like a national flag color, like carrot green and white. Carrot gives orange, and now I'm adding the onions into it. So carrot is the saffron color and coconut is the white color and green, so it's like a national flag colors that will go into this recipe today. This recipe tastes so good, and now I'm going to add little salt to the onion so that it becomes translucent. We need to stir the onions well. Once the onions are fried nicely, I'm going to add this grated carrot to it. We should not fry the vegetables to become soft in this recipe. Just we need to stir them, and then now I'm going to add the grated mango to it. We need to just mix everything nicely and add the rice and mix it. Now goes the scraped coconut into it. See how beautiful it looks, green, orange and white color. And for this we need to add little coriander also, that will give more taste to it. Now I have added the coriander to it and mix it nicely. After mixing, switch off the stove immediately so that the vegetables doesn't become soft. It shouldn't become soft. Now I'm going to add the boiled rice. The rice should be like this. It shouldn't be sticky. so that we can easily mix with that mixture. Now mix it thoroughly and check the salt also. Now again I'm adding the remaining rice into it. So in this way you can try this recipe at your homes and serve your family during this quarantine time. So my new recipe is ready for you all, and I'm going to garnish this with little coriander. And I thank you one and all for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Those who haven't, please do it. Thank you.